Welcome to JH. I've analyzed the Ovela pumpkin seed oil website, and frankly, it appears to be a typical dropshipping scheme disguised as a legitimate brand. Their advertisements make aggressive promises, claiming the product can halt hair thinning, inhibit DHT, fortify follicles, and even stimulate new hair growth. These claims are presented in sleek capsule form, supported by glowing reviews and a suspicious 4.8-star rating. To increase sales, they promote bulk offers like buy two, get one free to create an illusion of value. However, the reality is that no supplement can magically fix hair loss within a few weeks, as they suggest. While ingredients like saw palmetto and pumpkin seed oil have been researched and may offer minor health benefits, they are far from the miracle cure advertised here. A closer look at the site reveals several warning signs. The feedback seems fabricated, featuring stock imagery and overly perfect comments. They also use high-pressure tactics like countdown clocks and restock alerts to rush your decision. Ultimately, this is just a basic supplement available on wholesale platforms for a fraction of the price. They simply apply a custom label and charge $20 or more per bottle. The entire business model depends on marketing hype, manufactured social proof, and massive price markups. Essentially, Ovela pumpkin seed oil is a deceptive rebranding effort rather than a genuine remedy for hair loss.